Hey boys and girls, so this video is all about ICAI's president's views on NFRA consultation paper which was issued, on which I had made a separate video also and got tremendous response. NFRA's consultation paper on the audit of micro, small and medium companies. So here is ICAI's president's formal viewpoint on this issue. So watch the video till very last, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, do it, because it's a one-stop solution for you guys, whether it be the quality content videos related to academics or related to the practical field. तो फटाफट सब्सक्राइब कर दो, बेल आइकन दबा दो, बस बात खत्म। चलो अब आ जाओ। तो प्रेसिडेंट साहब ने क्या कहा है? प्रेसिडेंट साहब ने, आईसीआई के प्रेसिडेंट ने यहां पर ये कहा है कि नफरा का तो जुरिडिक्शन ही नहीं है टू हैव अ व्यू पॉइंट टू आस्क फॉर द recommendations whether micro small medium companies should be subject to audit or not. ये देखिए भाई, ये देखिए। और यहां पर आईसीआई के प्रेसिडेंट ने ये भी कहा है कि हम जो नफरा का लास्ट बोर्ड मीटिंग हुआ था उसमें भी ये बात नहीं उठाया गया। अचानक से कंसल्टेशन पेपर कैसे आ सकता है? ये देखिए जो इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, ये देखिए, ये है इंपॉर्टेंट चीज। The statement that micro, small and medium companies would be subject to audit, the statement that micro, small, medium companies would be subject to audit only if they satisfy certain public interest entity criteria cannot be regarded as the view of NFRA. This view was never brought up. This view was never brought up at the discussion on NFRA board, as it does not have jurisdiction over micro, small and medium companies. The matter is clear. Further, President also requested that we all should not send our individual replies to NFRA, because NFRA is not having jurisdiction over micro, small and medium companies. Rather, what we should do is, if at all we want to send a reply, we should send it to ICAI directly. Okay, I will be giving you the mail ID in which you can send your representation. So forward this video to all the members of CA Fraternity, all the persons involved in the CA Fraternity. Okay, I'll be giving you the mail ID in the description box as well. So rather than emailing to NFRA directly, you should mail to ICAI. Okay, and then ICAI, whatever suitable response will be there will be given in a consolidated manner to NFRA. Okay, so you can hear what President said. Okay, chalo. So like the video and make sure that you are commenting your viewpoint on the video and sharing the video with all. Now watch President Sir what he said.
NFRA does not have jurisdiction over micro, small and medium companies. As per the Companies Act 2013 and NFRA rules, it is not within the purview of NFRA to recommend whether audit of certain categories of companies is required or not. We are not communicated of any such thought process in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs.